Hello, I'm Tara Ball, founder and board president of Connors Climb Foundation. I'd like to thank the New Hampshire Center for Nonprofits for this amazing honor. We're thrilled to be recognized with these other wonderful nonprofits and individuals who are committed to such important work throughout the state of New Hampshire. My son Connor died by suicide in 2011 when he was a freshman at Exeter High School. It changed the entire trajectory of my life and that of so many others. Sadly, suicide is the second leading cause of death for New Hampshire youth between the ages of 10 and 24, but it doesn't have to be that way. The work of Connors Climb Foundation started with one goal: to ensure that suicide prevention education was part of the curriculum in the schools of SAU 16. It didn't take long to realize that the need was so much greater than just the Exeter schools, and the goal evolved to include all schools and SAUs statewide. We've been an official 501c3 nonprofit since 2014, and I'm proud of the many great things we've been able to accomplish since then. Connors Climb has provided 130 schools in our state with free, evidence-based suicide prevention programming through the SOS Signs of Suicide program. We've trained over 10,000 trusted adults, including school administrators, teachers, staff, community members, and members of local organizations. Over 30,000 New Hampshire students have the tools they need to recognize the signs of suicide within themselves and in their friends, saving lives. We've trained mental health and counseling groups like the New Hampshire School Counselors Association and CASA, youth program and support organizations like Seacoast Outright and Core Physicians, and community and social support groups like the Community Health Workers Association and so many others. Our goal is to get everyone talking about mental health and to remove the stigma so often associated with it, because it's really just like any other part of our overall health. We host a 5K and family walk every September to raise awareness and build community to change the conversation around mental health and suicide prevention. We've partnered with like-minded organizations to host Stick It to Stigma athletic events that normalize talking about suicide prevention and mental health. We're so grateful to have hosted games with both the UNH men's and women's hockey teams, the SNU men's hockey team, the Exeter High School girls hockey team, Exeter boys lacrosse, the Berwick Academy hockey teams, Timberlane Alvarine ice hockey, and so many other great organizations in our area who are all helping us stick it to stigma. I'm so proud that after many years of advocacy, we were finally able to help pass SB 282 in 2019. It's one of the most comprehensive suicide education laws in the nation. This law requires suicide prevention education for all educators, staff, and students in New Hampshire schools, and it saves countless lives every year. I'd like to thank our founding board members and everyone who's given their time and talents from the beginning for making Connors Climb Foundation the life-saving organization that it is today, because we wouldn't be here without every one of you. I'd also like to thank our amazing staff. It's through their tireless work on the ground that Connors Climb is able to do this important work. They're out there every day making sure that New Hampshire has the tools to prevent youth suicide. If I've learned one thing since losing Connor, it's that suicide is preventable, and when everyone has the tools and the knowledge that Connors Climb provides, we're all saving lives. On behalf of myself and my family, and everyone who supported Connors Climb Foundation, I can't thank you enough for helping us make New Hampshire a healthier place in memory of my beautiful son Connor. I know he's with us in everything we do. Thank you so much.